In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Disney Plus PC website not working. Now, there are multiple reasons why this could be happening, and in this video, we go over the most common causes and fixes. So the first thing that I always recommend that you guys try out is to simply refresh the Disney Plus page. So I know that sounds a little bit basic, but sometimes that is all you need to go ahead and do by just pressing on the refresh button over here and then try again. Now, what you could also do is try to use a different web browser. So Disney Plus is going to work best on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox. So if you're trying to use something else, maybe like on Opera GX or something like that, it may not always work because Disney Plus is like really good for like Google Chrome and stuff like that. So what I recommend that you guys do is try out multiple different web browsers, and then one of them should get the job done. Now, if that is still not fixing the issue, then what you may need to do is you may need to clear Disney Plus cookies and cache. And in order to do that, you want to open up a new site, or a new tab, I should say. Then look up Chrome and then settings, content, and then all right over here. Then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Then go to the search bar and just look up Disney and then Plus, and it's going to be right here. And you're able to go ahead and select on it just like so, and then press on delete, and that is going to delete all of your cookies on Disney Plus. And sometimes you will need to go ahead and do that, and that is basically going to destroy any like cache, any corrupted files and stuff like that. And it's basically going to make sure like Disney Plus is like brand new again. And then from there, you should be able to go ahead and try it again. Now, I also recommend that you disable any type of extensions and stuff like that. So whether that be ad blockers, privacy extensions, VPN extensions, script blockers, like all that stuff could interfere with Disney Plus website and then cause it not to work. So if you're using any of those things, try disabling it and then try to do it again, and then you should be good to go. And of course, this is all under the assumption that you are running a stable and good Wi-Fi connection. So as you're able to tell, my Wi-Fi connection is pretty good, but what I recommend that you guys do is double check your internet speed. And if you're able to, try to get an Ethernet cable, which basically connects directly from your PC to your router to basically give you wireless connection and make your Wi-Fi significantly faster, which is what I personally use on a day-to-day basis. So those are some common ways that you're able to fix Disney Plus. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.